Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you unboxing Plustek OpticSlim A3 series scanner and driver download and installation. So stay tuned. First of all, we will unbox the scanner. This is legal size scanner. It's adapter, cable. This is data cable. We can install the scanner using DVD. This button is automatic scan, email, OCR and PDF. This is power button. Here you see the measurement of paper size. You can follow the instruction and scan the document. Here you see the indicator. You have to put the paper in this corner and follow this instruction. We will connect power cable and data cable. Now we will download the driver and we will install the scanner. Write plustek.com/os1180 and click on the scanner. You will download the driver from here for Windows, Mac and other device. You will download the driver as per your device. I will download driver for Windows 11. For that we will click download and it will be download. Download is completed and we will go to the folder and double click on the driver and follow the process. It will take 5 to 7 minutes. Installation finish. We will go to the hidden icon and double click on the scanner icon, and here you see the instruction. First is scan, second is email, third is OCR and PDF. You can scan using manual button, and if you want you will click the software. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.